Hello everybody, welcome to my weekly Forex market review. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button if you find this video insightful. As a day trader, I actually prefer to focus on just two currency pairs, and I chose GBP USD and XAU USD, and the reason I chose these two pairs is because they both have the US dollar as their base currencies, so tracking them is pretty efficient and more straightforward. So to start off with our analysis, we need to look at the DXY. So the DXY is actually the dollar currency index. So this chart we're looking at right now it measures the strength of the dollar against a basket of other foreign currencies. So as we can see on the dollar currency index charts, we've been in a downtrend since April 2021. Yeah, since April 2021, we've been in a downtrend. And in the past 1 week, the dollar had been appreciating, but it hit this resistance level on Friday, and it dropped significantly since then. And we see the most recent low being this 89 level, and market seems to be heading towards that low. So I don't trade the DXY, the dollar currency index. I just use this to get a bias for my currency pairs, which is the GBP USD and XAU USD, which is the gold. So it's pretty straightforward. If I see a bearish signal on the DXY charts, so that means I could look to go long on the GBP USD, and if I see a bullish signal on the DXY charts, that means I could look to go short on GBP USD, something like that. It's pretty straightforward that way, yeah. So so now we have our bias on the DXY. We can see a bearish dollar near time. Yeah, you can see a near time bearish dollar. So we move to the GBP USD. Now let's see what we have cooking up for the week. So going to the 1 hour time frame. Yeah, so in the past 1 month, the GBP USD has actually been ranging, and it's been in this range. And 2 weeks ago, it broke out of this range briefly, which was a good sign that the pound was going to continue appreciating. But last week, it actually came back to the bottom of the range and ended the week close to the top of the range. So this week, starting today, Asian session, what we hope to see in this market is either a retracement back to this shoulder level. This is shoulder, head, shoulder. So either a retracement back to the shoulder level before pushing back to the upside. So let's draw that out. Either a retracement back to the shoulder level before pushing back to the upside, or we might get a push from here to the upside, and then we want to see a retracement back to this level before going back up there. So now the thing to bear in mind is, no one really knows exactly how the market is going to move. All we can just do is, be prepared to be there at the right time when it's ready to move. And we have our zones clearly marked out. So for here, these are my two major zones. This area right here, and this shoulder area right here. These are my two major zones here. So we want to see one of two things happen. Either we break out immediately from Asian session and come back to retrace in London session tomorrow, or we retrace a bit lower before breaking out. Trace a bit lower before breaking out. Yeah. So either one of these two moves. That's what we want to see. But yeah, we're bullish on GU this week. Okay, so moving to gold XAE USD charts. So I strictly use market structure for all my trading decisions. So yeah, look at our zones clearly marked out. So seeing this area of previous resistance, which is on support, called the swap level, and we see this area of support here. So for the past 1 month, the gold has actually been appreciating, but not in a smooth way, quite choppy. And last week we saw a huge sell-off down into this support area and also a bounce back towards the end of the week. So what we actually hope to see starting from London session on Monday, which is tomorrow, is I will look to get an entry on this trade on the 10-minute time frame. So Asian session is already active, so looking to get an entry on this 10-minute time frame on this zone, and we'll be looking to break past here. So when we get that entry on this zone, we'll be looking to break past this level, this 1915 handle for the dollar. We're looking to break past this level and head higher. And then now, to be a bit more precise on where my actual price target is for the gold, let's move to the 4-hour time frame. This is my actual price target for the gold, 1957, this zone right here, the 1957 zone. That's my exact price target for the gold, but we're not quite sure if it's going to get to this target this week, or this is my price target before looking for any major sales on the gold. And my major price target for the pound, is I thought I had this zone clearly marked out, but permit me to mark it out now for you guys. This is my zone here. Switch this up. Yeah. So um 1.46142. Yeah, that's my next price target for the pound. Yeah. Because as you can see, it's about to break this previous highs here. So looking at the breakout from here, I'm looking at the breakout move from here to actually expire here before retracing to give a bigger push upward. Yeah, so thank you guys. I hope you enjoyed this short brief review on the pound and the gold for this week. Also some little information I want to add there. On Thursday we're expecting give me a minute. Okay, on Thursday we're expecting inflation numbers to come out for the US and initial jobless claims, and on Friday we're expecting GDP numbers to come out from the UK. So trade cautiously on Thursday and Friday, as news events tend to create volatility in the market. Have a great first day of the week, everyone, and enjoy the rest of your week, and enjoy your trading. Thank you. Don't forget to like and subscribe.